Welcome to Emerald Enclave Villa, project by Lakshmi Narayana Builders and Developers located in coastal South Goa Nevalem city and is well connected to Margao Main Market, Rosary College and School, Nevalem, Margao Main Station and Panjim city. It's an address surrounded by convenience in many forms. The Nevalem Emerald Enclave Villas are located right opposite the Cinquetem ground. Today, we are taking you on an exclusive tour of a stunning tropical modern Emerald Enclave project developed by Lakshmi Narayana Builders and Developers. In this stunning tropical modern villa, boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur beautifully and also epitomize luxury living, combining contemporary design with the lavish amenities and elegant furnishings. Emerald Enclave Villas are testament to refined living. Let's begin our journey through this architectural masterpiece. As we approach Emerald Enclave Villa, you'll notice its modern design with clean lines, large windows, and a blend of natural stone. The poolside area has lounge provided for the relaxation. Lakshmi Narayana Builders and Developers has cleverly used wood, stone finish, and plenty of lush greenery to give beauty and a tropical feel to this space. A separate servant room and bathroom has been provided outside each bungalow. The terrace gardens set a welcoming tone for the luxury amenities. Let's step through the elegant front door and explore the interiors. The controller will turn on the lighting on the stairs and the automated curtains come equipped with Wi-Fi and Alexa compatibility. Moving on to the dining and kitchen, you'll find a space that combines functionality with style and create a luxurious space. The modular kitchen with sleek cabinetry and a luxury 4-seater dining table that is perfect for intimate dinners or lunch. A lift adds luxury and improves accessibility, safety, and comfort for moving between floors. The master suite features a plush king-sized bed, a cozy sitting area, and large windows with stunning exterior views, enhancing the comfort and relationship of couples. The walk-in closet offers ample storage space, designed to keep your wardrobe organized and accessible. The ensuite bathroom features a jacuzzi for a spa-like experience and a vanity wash basin with shelves. The entertainment room is a perfect spot for cozy movie nights with the whole family, equipped with a large screen, comfortable seating, and advanced audiovisual systems. The terrace arcade in warm sunlight invites conversations and laughter around a stylish lounge area, perfect for a refreshing dip on a warm day. Lakshmi Narayana Builders and Developers has designed each villa that invites to connect with nature and unwind from the stresses of everyday life. The interiors are beautified with high-quality materials like marble, teakwood, and bespoke finishes. State-of-the-art appliances and smart home technology offer convenience and efficiency. This house stands out like a breath of fresh air. Furniture carefully chosen for its functionality and aesthetic appeal. An elegant bathroom is provided with high-polished vitrified tiles and extra storage around vanity. Thank you for joining us on this architectural walkthrough by Lakshmi Narayana Builders and Developers. This luxurious property offers a perfect blend of modern design, comfort, and sophisticated living. We hope you enjoyed the tour and look forward to welcoming you to your new home.